una palabra vocabulario. ¿En la tarea? ¿En dónde más? ¿En iStation? ¿En qué otra cosa?
The decision to pick an awesome teacher was difficult here at Kit Carson because I have so many of them. But with Miss Flor, she started off as an educational assistant, worked her way to actually a level 3 teacher right now. This is just a teacher that definitely goes beyond what is expected.
My familia, like my whole family is, they're teachers. We're teachers. My grandma was a principal. She was a teacher since she was 14 years old in Chihuahua in the mountains. My uncles are teachers too, and my sister is a teacher. Like we're a family of teachers. So I kind of was that was just my destiny.
That she is caring. She gives them a lot of one-on-one attention. When I observe her and do walkthroughs, she's always right there with her children. You can tell the rapport with her kids is just awesome. It's like a family-oriented classroom, and you'll see that when you go in. And she has 29 students, so she's rocking it.
My kids, they're amazing. They every year I just get so motivated by them, the way their brains work, and just new words that they get, like anything that they come and they tell me, oh my God, Miss Flor, when they go home, oh, and it's the most random things, right? Like, my mom was using oraciones exhortativas, like things that I'm like, wow, you remember that? That's amazing. That's so yeah, no, them, they motivate me to come every day, and I get excited to see them learn. Start the day with a smile, and throughout the day I was like, Miss Flor, you always have to be smiling, and I think that's something that they'll remember, like that I always treat them with kindness, and I always show them like my best self, even if sometimes I'm not having the best day. For them, it's always my best day, so I'm always trying to be the most positive and smiley and happy, so they get happy. Even if they're having a bad day, I'm like, yeah, you got this, and they're like, okay, I got this.